Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the battery in this Alfa Romeo Proximity Key. So let's get started. First thing we gotta do is to open the key. So we're gonna grab the key from this grip right here on the sides. We're gonna open it just like this. You press and you slide it all the way to the back. This is. So now we're gonna take this key you see here. You're gonna insert it just like this and then you turn it. Just like this. Now you're gonna open this cap. As you see, here's the old battery. So this is the reference CR2032. Now we're gonna take the new one and we're gonna insert it just like this. Now you put back the cap. Now you just turn it. There we go. Now put back the key. And now close the lid. You put it and just slide it all the way to the front until it clicks. And this is it. This is how you easily replace the battery in your Alfa Romeo key. Alright guys, if you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. As always, thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye bye.